Yo guys, welcome to another video. If you're new to the channel and you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Ballo.trades and I document my journey to become a successful first trader here on YouTube, showing you guys the ups and downs and just being overall transparent with the audience, you feel me? So do me a favor and click that like button, click that subscribe button, and click on the notification bell to get notified when I drop another video. So yeah man, welcome to another video. Welcome to a new series that I'm starting for you guys. So as you guys know, last week I just got myself a 100k challenge with GFT. So I was like, why not start this challenge, right? So I have a day 1, day 2 type of series on TikTok. So if you want to check that out, click the link in my description where I update you guys on a regular basis. So the purpose of this video is just a more detailed approach to this kind of series, you feel me? So yeah man, today's day 1 or episode 1. I don't know what I'm going to call it. You will see in the title what I call it. But yeah man, today's a Thursday, by the way, right? So I'm about to go for a run. I'll be back in no time. So yeah man, I'll update you guys and tell you guys about everything once I come back and show you guys my dashboard, my trades, whatever, you know, everything. So yeah man, let's get it. Bah! Let me tell you guys about this platform that I'm using. This is GFT, also known as Gold Funded Trader, and they have been in operation for the past 2 years now. Now over those 2 years, they had 11 million plus in payouts with their clients, trading with over 240,000 traders worldwide. Now they have every account that suits any type of trader. They have the first step challenge, second step challenge, and the third step challenge, and instant and global blitz. Now my personal favorite is this 2-step, obviously. Now they have 7 account sizes that they offer, which starts from 5k being the cheapest one, and 150 obviously being their most expensive one, and the most popular one being the 100k. Now just to put this into perspective, this is the 5k challenge account, which goes for $52, but now since it's a special, it goes for $17. But this is only for a limited time only. Now you don't have to worry about the payment processes, as it offers a variety of payment options that you can choose from: Visa, MasterCard, American Express, PayPal, and Bitcoin, and also more. Now good news to those who are new to GFT, as they offer a 15% off discount on all accounts, but only for new users only. So if you're a regular customer with GFT, you could use my discount code, which will apply a 15% off discount code on any account that you'd like to choose. Now as you can see, GFT offers 4 different platforms you could choose from: TradeLocker, MatchTrader, Volume Tracker, FX, and my personal favorite, MetaTrader 5. Now for those of you guys who like trading fundamentals, there's good news, as they allow news trading and weekend holdings, which is my personal favorite, because as you guys know, I'm a personal swing trader. So this for me is a plus. So yeah, that's pretty much it. All links will be in the description. Alright guys, so we're back right now and we're about to stop on the charts. Well, I'm about to show you guys what I'm looking at for today. Now just to let you guys know, for this particular series, I will be day trading. I will not be swing trading on this particular account. And yeah, and so the setup that I'm going to show you and the trades that I'm going to execute will be day trades, you know what I'm saying? So right now, so far in this part of the video, we are 1% down on the account. I'll just pop the screenshot so you guys can see. We took a $1,000 loss, I think yesterday or the day before, but I think it's yesterday. So yeah man, right now I'm just going to show you guys. So I'm going to just take you through the platform and show you guys what I'm looking at for day trades for this particular day. Let's get it. Okay guys, so let's get to it. So like I mentioned previously that we are currently 1% down on the account. So firstly, I'm going to show you guys my trade in general, just so I show you the trade and how it looked like. Let's just go there real quick. Okay, so here we are guys on my trade in general. Now the trade that I took was Euro CAD. Right now, just to clarify, this was more of a swing trade. This was the first trade that I took. This was like more of a swing style approach. As you can see, we took this position on the 14th, closed it out on the 15th, which was the next day. As you can see, this was a swing trade, right? It was just basically a continuation trade. We risked 1% and this was an unfortunate loss, right? This is how it looked like before and after. I'm not going to get into detail, but you get the whole thing, right? Now yesterday I actually saw a day trading opportunity, but As you can see here, there was no other position that I took, simply because I chickened out on this one. It has been so long since I last day traded. I chickened out on this one. As you can see, I was looking at this USD GPY trade, right? I sent this to my group, and this is how it looked like. Right? This met the plan. Everything had its confluence. The confluence was there. 0.71 level was there. Everything just seemed okay. But I didn't take the setup because I chickened out. Right now, some of the members took it. As you can see, USD GPY trade moving nicely. As you can see, this was after it got executed. Until I think we hit TP. Let me just show you guys. Until we hit TP on it. Actually, let me just show you guys real quick. As you can see, yesterday we hit TP on it. So this was how the setup looks like after the screenshot, right? We got tapped in, everything lined up, and we actually went down to hit TP, as you can see. Right now, let me just clarify again, I did not take this setup, but some of the group members did, which is fortunate enough, but unfortunate for me, right? So I could have retrieved some of my lost trades and even banked like 1.5%, but then we didn't. That's a lesson learned. Now I'm reaping the outcome of my poor decision making skills, right? But yeah, man, that's done. There's nothing I can do about it at this point. It is what it is. You feel me? Now let me show you guys what I'm looking at right now for today. So let's start off with Euro NZD. So Euro NZD, I'm just looking for a simple just actually a reversal trade, right? Now there's a liquidity sweep up there. As you can see, a clear move to the upside. This is clear for me. This is a clear bearish momentum to the downside, as you can see, right? Now I'm just waiting for price to arrive somewhere at the 50% level so that I can put in my entry point and put in my pending orders, right? That is one trade. The second one I'm looking at is GBP AUD. No, GBP NZD. GBP Euro GBP, my bad, right? So I'm just basically looking at this. I'm just waiting for a solidified low, just waiting for price to retrace more convincingly so that I could start drawing my fib level from the high to the low, and the imbalance perfectly lines up with the thingy. You know what I'm saying? So that's one thing. Another one that I'm looking at is NZD CAD, right? So NZD CAD, we had this clean pulse move and we had an imbalance which perfectly lines up with my entry point. So I'm basically looking for something like this just to put it into perspective. I'm looking for something like this, right? Price continue to retrace correctively to the downside, then we have another impulse move to the upside, similar to this, right? So this is what I'm expecting on this particular pair, right? So yeah, man, just looking for a retracement into my level, then shoot up to the upside. And I'm saying, so yeah, man, that's basically it. That's basically the overall trade that I'm looking at for now. And yeah, these are all day trades, by the way. Just to share with you guys my swing trades that I'm looking at. I think it's one of my swing trades is this one, right? USD chef, but I'm not gonna discuss this because this is mainly day trading, right? So yeah, guys, I'll update you guys once anything interesting happens. So yeah, man, let's get it. Yo guys, so we have arrived at the end of the day. Right now, just to give you guys a summary of what's been happening, there were no trades taken, but something learned. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna share it later on, right? But before that, right, I've realized that most of you guys that watch my content aren't really into profit trading, which is okay. We cannot all be in the same thing, right? So as you guys follow me, for those of you who follow me on Instagram, would have known that I've been wanting to make my comeback on trading my personal capital, obviously alongside trading profits, because my goal with profits is to extract as much profits from profits and fund my personal capital, right? So I've been meaning to make my comeback trading my personal capital. I think that way it could also accommodate my audience, for those who trade personal capital, just to just to be the best at both worlds. I don't know if you know what I mean, right? Now I'm gonna use a broker that I've actually this is the broker that I started with when I started trading. The time I said I wanted to open a real account was with this broker. Now this broker is called XM. I don't know if you guys know it. Most of you guys must know it. If you don't know it, then where are you living, guys? Now, just to list a few things, they are regulated. And by the way, guys, for those of you guys who are trading with unregulated brokers, you guys need to stop. Your money is not guaranteed. If you make massive profits, you guys are not guaranteed your payments, right? For example, I've traded with this one broker. I'm not gonna mention the name. I've made like a small amount, like $500. I couldn't withdraw it. They didn't give me a reason. Then I just ended up, leaving it because there's nothing I can do. Even when I email them, they're not responding. So my money was gone. Trade with the regulated brokers, right? They are regulated and they have quite a few benefits. Just to mention a few, they have instant withdrawals. Like I was talking to the guy. They said like the withdrawals take from anything from 3 minutes to 5 minutes for it to clock in your bank account, which is amazing. I've never came across this. Even Profirms doesn't do something like this. You know what I'm saying? And another one is that they offer up to 100% in bonuses. What does that mean? This means that when you deposit $100, you get another $100 as leverage. Now I know most Profirms do this, but the problem with most Profirms is that they say they offer 100% bonuses, but once you lose your initial capital, your account is gone. Now with this broker, that is not the case. When you deposit $100, you get $100. Then once you lose your $100, you're still left with the $100 that you got accredited with. Hope that makes sense, right? But anyway, just to minimize speaking, if you guys are interested, the link to the broker will be in my description, right? XM Global. They've been operating for the past 15 years, so I have no reason to doubt them, you know what I'm saying? But then the links will also be in the description. And I was actually thinking, I don't know if you guys agree with me, most of you guys have been DMing me on my Instagram asking me to open a group. Now I was thinking to open a group. I don't know how many of you are willing to join. This is a free group where I'll be sharing my setups on a daily basis because I trade on a daily basis since I'm a full-time trader. Just a free group. I'm not gonna charge you anything. But you guys let me know what you guys think, But yeah, man. I like this type of community, one community, one Telegram group, trading one broker, trading just the same setups, not necessarily the same setups, but then having the same mindset and so on and so forth. But you guys let me know in the comments. But then, man, so now with regards to my trading day today, there were a lot of trades that I disqualified. I'm not gonna lie. There were many trades that I disqualified. And I'm not gonna lie, it paid out. It paid out. Let me just show you guys what's been happening. From my last analysis, you guys knew that I was looking for quite a few pairs. Now, this is the first trade that I disqualified. Let me just show you guys why I disqualified this trade. I didn't actually enter this trade because it was looking kind of iffy. For example, I would want my impulse moves, as you can see, this impulse move, to clear these lows down here, like something like this. As you can see, this impulse move was within these parameters. So I was like, okay, it didn't clear, so this could be one thing. You know what I'm saying? That's why I decided not to enter this trade, which actually worked out. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I'm getting better each and every day. Getting better, improving each and every day. Usually I would take this kind of setup, but now I've seen that, okay, it didn't clear this low. Why not? Why take this setup? Because it could be just one consolidation. That was one trade that I didn't take. Now the next one was this one. As you can see, also I disqualified it, right? Now we had this impulse move to the downside, as you can see, right? Then we had this consolidation, which was okay until this wick. As you can see, that wick made me like just abandon this setup. You know why? Because of this. You see this low here? It was taken out by this wick. I was like, okay, this setup is not valid anymore. This could be a liquidity sweep, even on the higher time frame. As you can see, that was just a basic liquidity sweep, knowledge. You know what I'm saying? You guys need to know your strategies by head. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, okay, this is not going to work out anymore. Let me just remove my parameters. As you can see, if I enter this trade, this sort of been
a nasty loss, not even in profits, just straight to stop loss. All right, now the one that I'm still waiting for, which is still valid, is this one. This one I have no doubt about it. I'm not saying that's gonna hit TP, I'm just saying that I am confident about this trade. Clear impulse move to the downside, a very corrective move, which is what I want to see. Now I'm just waiting to be tapped in. As you can see, almost got tapped in like twice, but I'm not gonna chase the trade. I'm just waiting for the trade to come to me. And yeah, man, once the price rises at this point, I'm gonna be alerted and I'm gonna journal this trade if it taps me in. And another one, okay, that's pretty much it. Right, so today there were no trades at all. I was just sitting on my hands basically. So yeah, man, I'm not gonna lie, guys, I'm really improving. I'm really enjoying the way that I'm trading right now with confidence. If you guys open the charts and you're not sure what you're looking for, that's a sign that you need to keep learning. Right now I'm at a stage where I could just look at the one pair and see how it's moving and be like, okay, there's no setup, then move on to the next one, because I know what I'm looking for and I know what I'm not looking for. Right, so yeah, man, that's pretty much it for this video. I just don't want to make this video as long as it needs to be. So if you guys like this type of content, like, subscribe, comment down below. And if you're interested in getting funded, I highly recommend GFT. The link will be in the description. They have massive discounts running. I'm not sure when it's going to end, but it's going to end soon, but I just don't know when. And if you guys are not into prop firm trading, you're into personal capital trading, trade with a regulated broker, the links will be in the description. And yeah, man, I really enjoy you guys watching this video. Peace, man.